Hello, sunshines. Welcome back, butterflies. You guessed it right, it's a new intro. I think it's so lovely. So, as you guys wanted or you voted actually to do, YouTube controls my life, but it's kind of going to take a long time to film. Today we're doing rainy day in Hawaii. So, without further ado, let's get into our role play. Aisel, go see what's on your phone. I don't know what is this weird sound. Okay, just go see it. Guess what you're waiting for. Okay. Oh my god. What's going on? You won't believe it. What's going on? There is a huge wind coming and the waves might be overload today and some places might get flooded. What are those places? I mean, so many countries are going to get flooded, but I can't really see Hawaii. There's Hawaii in here. I'm scared. We might die, you mean? No, honey, of course not. It might be like just small waves, but like it won't be rough. Usual. I'm not quite sure. Okay, so they all say that we have to go to the supermarkets, get as much water as we need, as much food as we need, because the electricity might go off and as well the water might go off and it will be so hard to get out. Oh my gosh. Mom, it's likely to go to the supermarket and get some emergency stuff. Yes, I agree with you. Honey, let's go. Okay. Going to pick up my baby. I think it's safer to leave the baby here. You don't know what's going to happen. My baby boy. Actually, baby girl. Oh yeah. Oh, my baby girl. You have to close the windows. Beep. I'm gonna go close the other one. Beep. Guys, don't open the door in case anyone knocked. Mommy, it's not the first time to stay alone with the twins. Okay, we have to hurry. Give me the baby. I'm so scared. No, I'm not scared. Sister, you say you were scared. I'm scared to stay with you. Do not be scared, girls. She's grown up enough and she's not scared at all. Yes? Yeah, I'm not scared at all. You said it will be rainy and might flood. Yes. So that's a normal thing. It happens a lot. Lily, that's fine. Yes, let's go. Okay, that's a good idea. And we have to close all the windows. I agree with you. I'm hungry. Me too, I'm hungry. I'm sorry, but what is hungry? I mean hungry. Oh, you mean hungry, right? Yes. Okay, what would you like to eat? You know what? I want noodles. I want some pizza. Okay, I think I could do that. Okay, so let me cook the noodles. Oops. My lovely twins, my crazy twins, my crazy little twins, sing to me. Sister, sissy, sister. What's going on? I have to leave those and go see. Look what's outside. Oh my gosh. This cannot be. We might be stuck in here and our parents. Sister. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh no. Come here. What about the baby? I don't know what to do. I do not know what I shall do. I'm so scared. Sissy, we might die. Look at the waves. Look at the sound. It's so scary. I'm so scared. Sisa, why did the night come? I don't know. The clouds are covering the sun so far. Girls, could you just sit and eat? No, I'm so scared. Okay, fine. Here's your noodles. It's even scarier. I'm going to get your brother. I mean your sister. I keep forgetting he's a girl. She's a girl. I'm going to go get your sister fastly. Uti, even more scared than you all girls. But like, have to pretend I'm okay. Oh my god. Let me take my phone with me in case anything. Sissy, I cannot eat. I'm so scared. I cannot eat. I'm so scared. No, you can. Oops. No, you can eat. It's actually good. Yummy. Oh my god, we have to hurry up. Yes, I think though. Okay, let's see what we need. I think the most important thing right now is the water. Okay, I agree. I'm gonna get a lot. And let's get these crackers in case we're out of food. And I'm going to need some of jam and whatever this is, and this and this. Gonna get eggs. Okay, the bag is full. I'm just gonna get another one. And then I will take one pizza and one tortillas. Now let's see what else. I think that's enough. No, I don't think. Let's just go to the cashier. Okay. Sorry butterflies for interrupting the roleplay, but I want to be giving a big thank you for Tokobella because she wanted to be my friend, and I really want to be your friend as well. Wish you're having the best day of your life, or you had the best day of your life. Bye, and I love you so much. I'm so scared. Me too. Don't worry, Aisel. When they said this flood and this heavy rain will finish. Okay, let me check. It will finish at 9 p.m. Okay, we're 7 p.m. It's almost there. How we could spend time? You could go to bed. No, I don't want to. I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna go get for you some water. Come with me. Uti. We got a lot of things in case we are trapped. Here's a water bottle. Thank you. You're welcome. Your drink. Okay, keep it with you, honey. Okay, mommy. And now what shall we do? It's so boring, and like the sound of the thunderstorm and the heavy rains are actually so scary. Yes, they are scary, but they will not do for us anything. Are you sore? Not quite sore. You know what? Twins, I think you're so sleepy. Come with me. Would you read for us a story? Yes, I will read for you a story. Stop crying right now. See, I'm gonna put my water bottle. I'm gonna sleep up. I'm gonna sleep down.